Okay. So let's just make an update of this program here to get the images from the screen. And I just made I added something here to get the images at the end. When I go out of the program, make um, I will make a PDF file with all the files that I saved. So let's make an example. Let's think that we wanted to make a PDF with um, this code here. Just like make it so very simple. So let's run this. Let's click on this one. Now we can save our images. For example, we wanna put this one as the import, and if I go Alt and Tab, I will get out of that blurred window. This one, that is the Pygame window that goes over the screen. And so here, let's say I want to explain what I'm doing. These are the modules to import for this script. So go back into here, and now I'm gonna save this part here, and let's go back here. Okay, now something, I think. Something went wrong. Let me kill all the processes and let me show this one again. Okay, let me do this again. I'm gonna, okay, there is this value box because here probably I forgot to okay, this is perhaps, I don't know why, another version. Well, let me do this thing here to avoid this error here. Okay, I'm gonna indent this if event dot button is equal 1. So only if it's equal 1 it will do so. So let's go back, and now I can save this, and if I use the scroll button, nothing will happen, I think. Okay, and so let's go back. Let's start from the beginning again, sorry. So let's run this. Let's capture the screen. Okay, I want to grab this. Remember the import thing here. Then if I want to scroll it, I have to go back to Sublime here, going with Alt and Tab. Let's say now that I want to take all the functions one after another. This could be, for example, to make my blog. I could use these images to explain what I did in the different parts of the code. So now let me just get some other images as example. This is the while loop. Let me decrease the size, then go back into the capture screen part, then go back to the program to scroll down, and then get the last part. It's not the last part, there is the final part here to make the final PDF. And so now I'm getting the last image. Once I get the last image, I'm gonna press ask, and you see here all the images that I captured, 8 images, and now they should all be in here in this PDF file. Okay, this is the first one with import. These are the different functions that I saved, the other parts of the code, the while loop, and the part here, the final part here that quits Pygame, and this one that makes the PDF, final PDF with all the images. So as you can see, it's pretty useful to take all the images that you need in the fastest way. That I never found another application that could do this, so I did it by myself with Python. And so I think that I'm gonna add some features to make it more easy to use. If I go into the folder where I saved, you can have all the images with their sequential number that I could eventually use, for example, in my blog to explain this code. So instead of putting inside just the code, it's always a little bit difficult to put it into a web page, but I could use this script, and I will use it for many other things where I need to grab in a quick way something like text images from the web, etc., to make at the end a PDF or images that I can use somewhere. So I think I'm quite satisfied with this one, and I thought that this application, since the snippet tools of Windows stopped to work with Windows 11 for some reason, and I heard that this error occurred also to other people. I tried to install the old one, and it's here, the snipping tool, and I've always used it because it's very useful. But you know, and I can use it still. If you use this, you see, makes something like the same thing that my program does. I also made another script that makes also the preview of what I get and put it into the clipboard. But I wanted to do this program that makes me do the thing faster with Python, and for the moment it's quite it does its job. So thank you, and see you in another video.